Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product. You can see this is KinCony Pi5R32. This is a Raspberry Pi 5 32 channel relay board, and you can see there are 32 channel relay, every relay that have COM and normal open, and this LED indicate, and this you can see that is CM5 free GPL external at here. And this analog input at here, that is IS232 and IS485, 2-channel PWM output. And this is 32-channel digital input, and also this is relay. And let's look at this back side. You can see that have some DIP switch for CM5 setting, and the USB-C cable, Ethernet, and SD card, USB port, HDMI, and power supply. And so you can see this is the board support installed on the DIN rail, and this is 32 channel relay version. And also you can see this is a Pi5M32. That means it's Mosfet output, and you can see the size will be smaller than this relay version. And this is Mosfet version. Other hardware resource all is same. Just this is Mosfet output. You can see this is 32 channel Mosfet output, and this is all is digital input. Okay, now I will open this box, and we can open this aluminum shell. So you can see this board, relay board, and OLED display, and CM5 at here. And also we will install this fan on the CM5, and SD disk, and relay bottom board. Now I will show you the PCB board. Let's look at this two PCB board. And this one just used by relay. You can see it's 32 channel relay, and also you can see this relay max 7 ampere. So this is a relay board, and this is R32. This I'm testing, so there are some cables. This is a testing board. Okay, so you can see this board, you can see that is Pi5M32. So this is Mosfet, and this time we have used this new Mosfet. This Mosfet size is very small, just the cost is high, and the current also is very big. So we have tried to use this new Mosfet chip on this board. And this is I2C external chip, I2C external chip. Okay, so this controller also you can install Home Assistant and the driver, all resource, and analog input, analog output, relay output, and digital input from Home Assistant directly. And also you can install the Node-RED, and the Node-RED we have uploaded the form follow, and you can download it to Node-RED and directly to use our resource on the Node-RED. Okay, this is KinCony Raspberry Pi 5 R32 channel relay and Mosfet board. Thanks for watching.